Hello? I'm a truck. You've heard songs about truck drivers many times. Their stories told how they pulled out of Pittsburgh for 6 days on the road, about the Feather River Canyon, climbing the old grapevine, that old roadhouse down in Texas, and the girls they left behind. You've heard their tales of daring, and I think that's just fine. But if you can spare a minute, well, I'd like to tell you mine. There'd be no truck drivers if it wasn't for us trucks. No double clutching, gear jamming, coffee drinking nuts. They drive their way to glory, they have all the luck. There'd be no truck drivers if it wasn't for us trucks. Open, my stacks are running flames, my tank are running red lights, sucking diesel from the tanks. I take them south, bring them back without a word of thanks. So now you've heard my story, and I guess it's my tough luck. There'd be no truck drivers if it wasn't for us trucks. There'd be no truck drivers if it wasn't for us trucks. No double clutch